fashion blogger who's lived in the UK since she was 10 says she fears she'll be deported to Zimbabwe. Rotendo has been told by the Home Office she may not have the right to stay here. Her parents came to the UK as refugees and Rotendo joined them, but the family has never been given the right to remain. Well, since leaving school, she says she struggled to find work because of her immigration status, so went online to try to make a living there. Well, Rotendo started various social media channels, but the luxury lifestyle she portrayed online was all a front to make ends meet. Well, now, with only a month to go until her visa ends, she's admitted the truth to her followers and is asking them for help. And she joins me now. Rotendo, thank you so much for joining us. And first of all, let's start with the problems you're facing now with immigration. What does the Home Office say to you exactly?
Basically, there is potential that I could go back home, only because I don't have indefinite stay right now. Obviously, I have to pay the funds to reapply for, no, not reapply, sorry, to apply for indefinite stay, but I could not get it.
So how much are they asking for? How much do you need to do that?
I need exactly £2,297.
And that's a lot of money.
That is a lot of
money. So you've now set up a page just asking for donations to help you with that.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a problem there. I showed some of the pictures of this lifestyle that you've been portraying online, and you have been portraying a life living in fantastic accommodation, designer clothes, designer bags. So now you're getting a bit of a backlash, really. People asking, really, do you need money? What's the truth behind what's been going on with your life?
I haven't portrayed anything. Literally, I've just been myself. Of course, all the clothes that I post on my Instagram are things that I get from companies. I've been doing collaborations. Some of these designer bags that everyone keeps talking about are not my bags, just friends' bags.
But did you tell people that with your pictures? Did you say,
no,
not
I didn't,
my friends?
because I didn't think I'd be in this position. And it's a thing where you just post a picture. The bag looks nice with my outfit, so that's what I just did.
But this is now a bit of a problem.
Yes.
It's being a bit of a problem because you were hoping that this would actually help you make a little bit of money, and that didn't happen. I mean, were you watching other so-called influencers and the type of lives they were portraying online and thought actually this could be something lucrative for you, and finding out that actually it's not?
For me, it was probably... On Instagram, you need to look a certain way, do certain things for you to be able to work with companies. And obviously, I didn't have the opportunities that other people had. So this was my way of trying to make something out of it. So I had to sort of be that person. And it's not a thing where, like, I was portraying anything. It just, happened that way.
Well, look, Rotendo, thanks so much for joining us and giving your side of the story, because you have got a little bit of flack online, so hopefully people can actually hear your side speaking to us here on 5 News, so thanks so much for that. Well, we did ask the Home Office about Rotendo's situation, and they got back in touch with us saying Miss Tichwangwani, who is Rotendo, has leave to remain until the 6th of May 2018. It is up to the applicant to submit a fresh application, which would be considered on its own merits.